A very good morning to everybody. This is Advocate Shikhar Sardana. I am a practicing advocate at Delhi High Court. So today we will be talking about what is bail and how bail is granted. So bail is a temporary release to the person who is under the police custody, which doesn't mean that he is free forever, which means that he has to be available whenever the investigations takes place. So let us understand what is chapter 33 of CRPC, section 436 of CRPC, which is bailable offences. If you dissect the word bailable, it itself means bailable. So all those offences which are less serious in nature comes under section 436. And I would like to tell you that under 436 police has the authority to give bail also, but it should be under all the provisions of CRPC. Let's talk about section 437 of CRPC, which means non-bailable offences or bail under non-bailable offences. All those offences which are heinous in nature, serious in nature, comes under 437 of CRPC. Friends, it is a myth that you won't get bail under 437. Means in non-bailable offences you won't get bail. It is a myth. It is a complete myth. You will get a bail under 437, but it is a matter of discretion of the court. And if bail is granted, then some conditions must be imposed, which has to be followed by the accused. Now we will talk about section 438 of CRPC, which is anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail is a bail which a person gets in advance, and it is the power of High Court and the Court of Session to grant it. You won't get anticipatory bail in non-bailable offences. In last, we will talk about default bail. Default bail is defined under section 167 clause 2 of CRPC, which tells that the accused will automatically gets bail whenever the police authority is failed to submit the charge sheet between 60 to 90 days. In last, we will talk about how bail is granted. First, the accused has to sign the bail bond. Second, the accused has to pay some amount to the court. Third, there should be at least 2 sureties so that the court gets assured that the accused will not commit the crime in future. Hope you all like the information. Thank you.